Hello, this is Cordell Radke speaking, and welcome to my prototype progression video for my web design development course here at Full Sail University. In this presentation, I will be demonstrating my health app prototype called CSR Health, and CSR stands for Cordell Scott Radke. But in all seriousness, it actually stands for Cardio, Strength, and Respiratory. But anyways, I will be also discussing some feedback received from my user testers and what I've implemented into my edited and final prototype. So let's get right into it. As you can see on the screen, it has my logo and for the app, and it will display username and password or a sign up button, which I haven't implemented those features yet. But as of now, you can just tap anywhere on the screen to log in. So I'm going to tap login. And the first thing you'll notice is all the icons on the screen. And walking is the most used button as of now, so let's click that. Excuse my cat in the background. Anyways, as you can see, you have your diagram with the steps, calories burned, active minutes, and the amount of miles. And the first thing that my users' feedback was that, as you can see, these menu options down at the below, not the very bottom, but the ones right here in the middle, are not quite as obvious to pick out upon. So if you wanted to change the activity, you would click the change the activity button. So they really suggested that these should actually be on the bottom, while the main icons, the health diet icon, the exercise, and the rewards icons should be more centered in the middle. And that's just from what I've experienced with my user testers and their feedback upon that idea. So let's go ahead and change the activity, and as you can see, it comes up with all your activities you can choose from. And I also asked my users what would be the first thing you would click on to get to your profile information. And so they were pretty easily accessible to that. You can see it brought up the profile information, and you can easily just exit out of that. And then I also asked, where would you most likely find your settings? Now I did implement two settings buttons, so you can either click the one down here or the one on the top right corner. So we'll do the one on the top right corner, and it will come up with all your settings. You can edit your profile, you can share, or you can log out, and logging out will bring you back to the sign up form. So we'll exit out of this. And now, say you wanted to go to your health and diet plans, then you would easily just click the bottom left hand corner. Your heart rate, it will show you some articles. You can read the full article, browse articles, and then you can also see what's trending. Then, my next question for my users was then, well, where will you find your data now? So you can plug in your heart rate and record your weight. And so they easily clicked this option, so you can see your heart rate, and then you can swipe right for your weight, or you can click the weight icon back down here. And they said this works great. They're loving it so far. And then we'll go to rewards. And right now it says achievements at the top, which they said, well, that kind of doesn't make sense. If it's called rewards, then why would you call it achievements up here? So I'm going to change that to rewards. But anyways, you'll choose any icon for now, and then it will come up with the screen. And I originally put, congratulations, you lost 5,000 calories or something. And then I realized how dumb that sounded, and then one of my users said, wait, if you lost 5,000 calories, you'd probably not survive that. So anyways, I changed that up so it would make more sense. You lost 10 pounds. Congratulate yourself with a delicious treat. Then you can go ahead and click out of that. And that basically covers the app. I hope you enjoyed it, and my users said it was very well detailed and laid out, and they really liked the visuals, so I'm really excited about that. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Catch you next time.